Let's go through how to create and format a table of contents in Apple Pages and fix common formatting issues. I have a draft book here with different headings for chapters, subchapters, and level 3 headings. It would be good to have a table of contents. Position your cursor where you want to edit, then insert a section or page break. Next, go to Insert and select Table of Contents. You can create a table of contents for the whole document or just a section. I want it for the entire document. Pages will take a moment to generate the table of content by pulling your headers from the file. I can see that all my chapter titles have been pulled. To add more headings, select the TOC, then go to the Format sidebar, choose Table of Contents, and click Customize Styles. Here you will see a list of all the paragraph styles in the document. The ones with check marks are included in the TOC. I will add subchapters and level 3 heading styles so they show up too. Right now, the table of content formatting looks rough. To fix it, select one style at a time and format it just like a regular text. I will change the font to Century Gothic, decrease the size, adjust the text color, and make it bold. Next, I will format the subchapters and level 3 headings. Notice the main issue. The page numbers are below the titles. I want them aligned to the right with dashes in between. Go to the Formatting sidebar again, below the tabs. For the separating style, select dashes under leader. I will also add indents for the subheadings. To adjust the spacing between the heading and page numbers, double-click the value in the Stops column. Type a new number, then press Return. The smaller the number, the shorter the distance. It looks like 5 inches is perfect. You can also adjust spacing with the orange markers on the ruler at the top. If you don't see the ruler, go to View, Show Rulers. I will make the same spacing correction between the headings and page numbers for my sub and level 3 headings. I will also change the chapter heading color to a nicer blue. To tighten the spacing between the table of content lines, adjust the before and after paragraph points. That already looks much better. One more thing you can add is the title at the top of your TOC. Now, the table of content we just made is for the readers of your document. But there's another helpful TOC view for you, the writer. Click the View button in the top left corner and select Table of Contents. This TOC is unrelated to the TOC we just added at the start of our document. It's a navigational tool that lets you jump around while writing. Right now, I can see a list of my chapters, and I can click any of them to go there directly. If I want more links to the subheadings or other paragraph styles, I can click Edit at the top left and check the ones I want to include. Thanks so much for watching.